Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss something really important for anyone interested in the future of AI, ethical AI, and what beginners need to know in 2025. As AI continues to grow and become more integrated into our daily lives, it's essential to understand the ethical implications that come with it. So, what exactly is ethical AI? Simply put, it's the practice of developing and deploying AI systems in ways that are fair, transparent, and beneficial to society. This means making sure AI doesn't cause harm and that it operates in a way that respects privacy, promotes fairness, and avoids bias. One of the key concerns in ethical AI is bias. AI systems learn from data, and if that data is biased, the AI model will reflect those biases. This can lead to unfair decisions, especially in critical areas like hiring, lending, or criminal justice. As a beginner, it's crucial to understand how data quality and diversity play a role in ensuring fairness. Always strive to use diverse, representative datasets when training AI models to minimize bias. Another important consideration is transparency. With AI, it can be difficult to understand how models make decisions, especially with complex models like deep learning. This is why explainability in AI is a growing focus. As an AI developer, understanding and ensuring that your model's decisions can be interpreted is essential for trust and accountability. Then there's privacy. AI technologies often rely on vast amounts of personal data. Ethical AI development includes protecting user privacy through techniques like anonymization and encryption, ensuring that AI respects individuals' personal information. In 2025, we can expect increased regulations around AI. Governments and organizations are already working on creating frameworks that promote ethical AI. As beginners, it's important to stay informed about these regulations and guidelines, as they'll impact how AI technologies are developed and used. Lastly, accountability is a core pillar of ethical AI. Developers and organizations must take responsibility for the outcomes of their AI systems, especially if those systems cause harm or make biased decisions. This includes being transparent about the capabilities and limitations of your AI models. In conclusion, ethical AI is more important than ever. As you begin your journey with AI, make sure to always prioritize fairness, transparency, privacy, and accountability in your projects. By doing so, we can build AI systems that truly benefit society. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.